Most people weaken their muscles before breakfast, and they don't even realize it. What you drink in the morning can either support muscle recovery or slowly break it down over time. And almost nobody is getting this right. Your muscles don't just grow in the gym. They rebuild while you sleep. All night long, your body is repairing tiny muscle fibers, restoring energy, and clearing out metabolic waste. But the first drink you choose in the morning decides how well that recovery continues, or how quickly it gets disrupted. Some drinks quietly protect your muscles. Others slowly drain their strength. Today I'm going to show you the top 3 best morning drinks that help save your muscles and support your body's natural cleansing system, using simple things you can easily find and actually enjoy. Number 1. Warm lemon water may seem like the simplest choice you can make in the morning, but inside the body, it creates a quiet shift that directly affects how your muscles recover and function throughout the day. After hours of sleep, your system wakes up in a mildly dehydrated state. This isn't always obvious, but at a cellular level, fluid balance is slightly off, and your blood becomes a bit more concentrated. When this happens, the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissue slows down, and recovery processes become less efficient. Starting your morning with warm water gently restores this balance. Unlike cold water, which can feel like a sudden shock, warm water is absorbed more smoothly, allowing your digestive and circulatory systems to activate in a calm, controlled way. When lemon is added, the effect becomes more than just hydration. Lemon provides vitamin C and natural plant compounds that support antioxidant activity in the body. During muscle repair, your body naturally produces small amounts of oxidative stress as a byproduct of metabolism. In balanced amounts, this is normal, but when it accumulates, it can interfere with muscle recovery and contribute to fatigue. Vitamin C helps neutralize these molecules, giving your muscle cells a more stable environment to rebuild and strengthen. At the same time, improved hydration enhances blood flow, which means amino acids and minerals can reach muscle fibers more effectively. Even the slight stimulation of digestion plays a role, as it prepares your body to absorb nutrients better from the meals that follow, creating a foundation where recovery is not forced, but naturally supported from within. Number 2. Beetroot juice is more than just a vibrant, earthy drink. It is a natural enhancer for muscle performance and recovery that works quietly from within. Its power comes primarily from nitrates, compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a central role in regulating blood flow. When nitric oxide levels rise, blood vessels relax and widen, allowing oxygen and nutrients to travel more efficiently to every muscle fiber. This improved circulation is essential because muscles rely on a steady supply of oxygen and amino acids to repair microscopic damage caused by exercise and to rebuild stronger than before. The wider and smoother the flow of blood, the faster recovery can happen, and the less fatigue your muscles experience after activity. Even subtle improvements in circulation can make a noticeable difference in how quickly your body adapts to physical stress, and beetroot juice provides this effect in a natural, sustainable way. Beyond circulation, beetroot juice supports your body's internal detoxification processes. Muscle activity produces metabolic waste, such as lactic acid, which can contribute to soreness and a feeling of heaviness. When blood flow is optimized, these byproducts are removed more efficiently, allowing muscles to recover without unnecessary buildup. This is not a forced detox or cleansing process, but a natural enhancement of the systems your body already relies on. Additionally, the antioxidants in beetroot help combat oxidative stress that occurs during exercise, reducing damage to cells and tissues. By protecting muscle cells and supporting efficient nutrient delivery, beetroot juice allows your body to maintain a more balanced internal environment. Regular consumption in the morning takes advantage of a period when the body is primed to absorb nutrients and restore energy stores. Over time, this consistent support can lead to improved endurance, reduced fatigue, and a stronger, more resilient muscular system that responds effectively to both daily movement and intense training sessions. Number 3. A green smoothie made with spinach, banana, and protein is more than just a refreshing morning beverage. It is a complete tool for muscle support and recovery that works on multiple levels at once. After fasting overnight, your body is low on stored energy and slightly dehydrated, leaving your muscles in a vulnerable state. A smoothie addresses both of these challenges by providing hydration and nutrients in a form that is easy for your body to absorb. The protein component is crucial as it supplies amino acids, the raw materials your muscles need to repair microscopic damage from previous activity. Without sufficient amino acids, recovery slows and muscles remain weaker and more prone to fatigue. By drinking protein first thing in the morning, you are giving your body the exact building blocks required for effective repair and growth. Spinach adds an additional layer of benefit through its rich content of magnesium and iron. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle relaxation and helps prevent cramping, while iron supports the transport of oxygen to muscle tissue, which is essential for energy production during both recovery and subsequent activity. Together, these nutrients enhance the efficiency of muscle repair and maintain proper function, ensuring that your muscles are not just recovering, but preparing for the day ahead. The banana contributes natural carbohydrates, replenishing glycogen stores that were depleted overnight. Glycogen is the primary source of energy for muscles, and without it, muscle fatigue occurs more quickly, reducing performance and slowing recovery. By combining these ingredients, the smoothie becomes more than just food. It becomes a targeted, balanced system for supporting muscle health. The blend of hydration, protein, vitamins, and minerals ensures that your muscles receive what they need to recover efficiently, while also supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Smoothies deliver these nutrients without overwhelming the digestive system, making them ideal for mornings when you want nourishment without heaviness. The combination of antioxidants, minerals, and macronutrients works synergistically, promoting steady energy levels, reducing oxidative stress in muscle cells, and giving your muscles the environment they need to rebuild stronger, more resilient, and fully prepared for the day ahead. If this video helped you understand your options better, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, honest muscle health tips. And if you have questions about milk, diet, or your muscle condition, leave a comment below. Your question could help someone else too. Take care of your muscles, and I'll see you in the next video.